Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on PEPECOIN technical analysis and price prediction of the day, 28th of June 2023. We're looking for discovering what is about to come in the markets. In the meantime, make sure to check out our main YouTube channel with ChatGPT bot trading, live presentations, and profits that we're actually banking in. At the same time, we have a current trade which is running on Bybit exchange. It's performing quite well, $261,000 pure profit, 70 Bitcoins that we have longed on 25x leverage. We are having a good time, folks. So let's get into PEPECOIN, which is still trending. It's number one, guys, and this is keeping the token alive. To be honest with you, at a time we are losing the trending, this is a big red flag. For the moment, it's still alive and it still have chances of rallies, but that condition right there is misunderstood by a lot of the people, and I'm telling you honestly, there's many users looking around CoinMarketCap and they look for the things that are in trending. So always there is an organic new buyers coming into as soon as you stay in the top with the trendings. Now, in terms of the market cap, PEPECOIN has not been following its the best days, of course. It retracing, it has pullbacks, it has decreases. It is something normal for any cryptocurrency out there. At the same time, for those of you that would like to participate in our bot trading with ChatGPT that we have, make sure to check out this video till the end. There is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where the full trading goes through API permission and it's all outsourced. We're going to talk about that at the end. Now, what's happening on the PEPECOIN side? Well, take a look at this, guys. We're actually out here for the Binance charts, and we have an Indian oscillator at the bottom as well. There are some technical representations here that are useful for you guys to understand the current picture. So the first thing is, whenever the market has rallied in terms of the BTC, and it actually did it last week on 21st, PEPECOIN started to move. When it started to move and broke out of this major downtrending resistance line, this grain line that we have, which starts from the tops. Now, when we did that, there's been a lot of enthusiasm around the project, which means it is a type of project that collects enthusiasm once it starts moving. And this is very interesting because this tells us that every time you must buy into before it moves, due to the fact that once it moves, enthusiasm comes and the actions will drive the price quite high, which is where you make the money. If you buy in right after the enthusiasm appears, you might get into the highs and you might be into a trapped position of longs in the tops. Avoid such behavior, guys. We had a technical representation here and the entry was clear right above the breakout line. At the same time, our Indian oscillator has been performing very well on the chart side. The bears were completely turned off. Meanwhile, the bulls have been taking the complete control of the market. We also had a great reaction basically of a minor pullback on the golden ratio of the golden pocket. So we had a minor pullback, which is very bullish, and then we continued with the rally. I'd like to measure from the bottom of the rally till the top, which is right there. It is a damn 96%. 96%. We're actually talking about 3 days and 3 hours of price action. Anyone that put into $100,000 in 3 days and 3 hours had $196,000 in that damn account. Can you actually believe that? What is achievable with this type of cryptocurrencies? Well, this is the reality, folks, which is why you need proper education in trading and proper tools to handle the process. Once again, guys, by the way, for those of you that are interested to participate in our bot trading, make sure to check that out as well. We completely trade outsource and we only charge a commission from the pure profits made every 7 days, and it's paid by you. So we have the top of the structure right there. It seems like we had the number 2 Fibonacci representation, which is the reason why we stopped with PEPECOIN. At the same time, we had a 100% increase from the lows, and that is massive. However, we didn't pull back that much, for example, from that level to this time, it's just 15%. This is tiny, guys. This is still healthy. And if the markets are deciding to break this low, then we'll need to consider the number 1 Fibonacci, as well other structures of possible reactions. There's 4 possible reactions amongst the structure wise. There's the 120s, there is the 110, and then on the price section there is around the 100 side. All of them are great levels of possible reactions where the market can take off again and retest the tops. This is currently the situation for PEPECOIN. I'd like to touch bases with that a little later on as well in my next videos. So once again, folks, for those of you interested, check out our report. It's in the description area and comments area. Complete the form to join us. Have a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can explain you. And if you are into the trading and if you would like to become a trader, we have a one-on-one coaching program directly with me, which I completely do out of passion, intensively, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade between 4 to 6 weeks on live conversations. Check out the page describing, register now for more information, and I see you soon. Have a good time, guys.